Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to JPG directly from your iPhone or Android phone. This method is simple and works for both iPhone and Android. First, open your web browser, whether it's Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type PDF to JPG converter. From the search results, find and select smallpdf.com. This is a reliable website that makes it easy to convert your files. Once you're on the Small PDF website, look for the option that says Choose File or Upload PDF. Tap on that, and then select the PDF file you want to convert from your device. After uploading your PDF, the website will automatically start converting it to JPG. This might take a few seconds depending on the file size, so just wait for it to finish. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see a download button. Tap on it to download the JPG files directly to your iPhone. Click on Save and choose File. Now, your PDF has successfully been converted to JPG. And there you have it. Now you know how to convert a PDF to JPG using your iPhone. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to App Insight for more tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence and digital skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.